Romano Peno, but almost story be our son second year so the mouth. Now you may cross so any scenes are witnessing in Ebino and some night San Marino Tima. Woman so aqua where I shall so really Gemini. The last time I had to come okay, yet about two just said the last time I cover San Marino and some Marino Gemino. I a little over 20 years. I was penny. Woman shall record the air win and so our way. Now for the first time in San Marino and some Nabopo. Now just so much more than one goal. I am one Joe. And watching for the first time, woman crowd a Kokunya win just a game, no, and some competitive game, and some one Adiba Kunasanino, I guess Liechtenstein, and no, I 2004, woman first win, 2024, woman second win, and I just a beam, and one I know, woman somebody else also our penny, woman winning matches, and Makuma Kumiansa, I just am sending, and some I guess the same opponent, and I'm not your football Kwana, so me, I have found some San Marino first way, and some like the Emma Brown Seminole, yet the Emma yet for an pay, and some now show so much as I would do, and also no cross so I'm an okay, as I say, Yamia quarter final draw, and some this Friday now, okay, Milicana to Canano, Emma Catros, oh my yes, Sidio Mono, Yababino, maybe, and some other France, and you see that our Geronimo, and watch Portugal, and some I see that, Obeno Maya, your father says Spain, Omotimino, and some I see that I'm from Germany, and I'm like Dimension for no woman. Some I see that Omoa, Yabacha area Guso, and some I Porto, Italy, am I never come, and watching Netherlands, and some other come, women Denmark, and I'm from Maya, your father saw Croatia, Amo, and I'm so for almost other countries. I would do Yabacha area Guso, I'm in Yamia Duma, woman so quarter final draw, and no some Latin about Anua. Now I was a meeting, Cassia Pabako, and some about says, Bishop at discuss I'm what is a new match as I cross was to say Muslim Russia Emo Bono and you can say or maybe it's Israel and some about many years as a Jody Kotono which with the crime and year and then Russia for the Mum by Israel and some other so meeting about a Shuefa woman some money FIFA and Perifono and some Nakoshai now Dramo Canyon says still no woman Russia because I am suspended from international football and watching Russia man is Arabakodia Nani I trust Namia Duma next year World Cup qualify matches I would do and what's an about what I say bia one qualify someone qualifying in Ebino German said Russia man woman some to me World Cup nibi woman I excluded our penny woman quiet meeting and when you met your film Bino and some other sender woman some other cause was 7 years the first suspension and I woke up and I'm to me Kobabia and also my update ever not some coach your phone will not come on now we're from so not come on and will say you want to just say on and Kodano I was so JBS and I drew a ball game I went to Bosnia now I'm in Bosnia and Herzegovina and Ebo now they're all kinds of one. Hey, boss, I could your father said, Frankie, the young coach, and say, now we hear somebody too young about to cry. And some Uncle Bosnia, maybe on my castle, second half, no, or better Yaba, Benjamin, minute to be about Tabby. I was so much Jai, and I could not continue. Many German aspect, I could down, I'm a German second, on a Sabrina. Your father said, Dion, can't come back to Barcelona. When I'm back on a medical test now, doctors and action, said a bear, we can do any matches I will telling you now. I yet Dion, get some number to me up. BML some Liverpool. One should defend her fans. Virgil van Dijk. And many channels to say. Not Ruben yes or Beja Katana. Your fans Van Dijk. Amono and some Ako Atea. What did you have us said a schedule and as a schedule? And I am very busy. And I wish I am Van Dijk and so on. Come here, sir. Much be a Bobokua. Your fans Liverpool Abobiano. Yellow Katana fans Virgil van Dijk. No. One some Amanabotina. So Casabia. Qualify yet that the number match way was Adam Van Dijk Kakobia, not Chesabia Kodano Abaso Hano, and to the Minion Van Dijk, no, one of some excuse, no, one other Frankie the young Tomato, some will be on some clubs a year, respectively, Arches and also I had to Amaswaya, and some not banana power shoulders are free. Mammy from Tuan, so Romeo Bobokua, Yafons and some just a bouncer, and some more, and some more, and some Bana Unisana, and Jabakua Pan Ayapra, Nayakasa Pratia, not just wash will be at Sabia name and Chasabia Ansu Fatinum, and then Chasam Quadano, Amon Chasapra, any day outside for Nema Jamsan Wapapa, Nema Soprano, Telefia, or Chat, and San Wapa, Namame Jalaji Buffone, Jalaji Buffon was saying. Yemani obia enye pranka by now no I was saying kebi a ballon d'or Jamakuma 5 I was saying kebi a name ante and is how dominance benya Ronaldo and some animals no amache say one so dominating here can say game no one yale jibu fon tiri eba say no saying kebi a name and some aje ballon d'or no makuma ko enum na mama jeba ko ha bo ni pano so aye pra enum arache say jeba ko and so aha na twa ho and owura fon say bu fon ekoya betum say one before so some go back to Palma and I just want to do a banner was about for catching us on my name no qua kebi mom na kwa ebi a second choice B and a simple ebi a third B and unti and I just some before no and some go back to Palma and then the finish what about mom or we for some before say you want to just one I'm not for tagano what kind 2006 come I couch your poly a no I'm not for become and I just crowd your players no a bit trap bed a bit at the matches no to chacha and before so on or be a chacha de wo papa namum on ever since I want about sinner nisika on fanto aye football and some achida Serbia team be popo na one on challenge before Serbia when both teams to score and Serbia win it half and some Serbia when some other yellow card rubbing a red card no before so on Kirby da namum sa wukonia ye for some basketball hodi odi no hopa and after ban tennis so hono we come as can you now quite misa na some other suka na to all can you know say casino so no casino no met me adi wana no kato so na say u confia ba no just can say kanashim was no casino wonom acha ebia afinin ko na wi no na just wako casino either Serbia twice and Serbia thrice and no and some jumedi awodi na just the moment ababa Serbia afinin ba ko na wi no just before and some akro casino and premier no and Serbia premier said na just am say yarina pa because the whole year no akro casino me no answer me said here na some am so sika some no and some ayade say no akro from amateur no and some advertisement prana yeka say na Barcelona wo mo doctor bi no ye follow Ramon Kugat now Ramon Kugat from now at the Benina Kabia is no and some Tinkomo Kakana Jaminya report from inside Canada ye first anterior cruciate ligament and on a probable and also actually place now yana just one and you may touch your pana other church now only the trouble so can you say prana say I boys and I schedule and also I tight a cow now the other so can you say ebia obetime inchu be inchu na aye microbia just adeno aye practical bi namom the more na ebeba say bia we train here we bomb matches no more e wa ba wunya enough time enfanchi wo home e ba say bia bomb match we agetia recovery the following day mu to cramo full plane mo ko bia distance any demo ko ba mo kala the more na wo yesane mani nyina no na practical no e kwa train the ACL and some aba entimo mu proper and no one does I Edamili Tao one was suffer ACL twice and Tabia none of yourself plan the central crano I come here Serbia by now graduate one more I just a doctor now your phone sound Ramon Kugat or no and some other explanation in no and some not a brand our show so now all said now Jumadian Barcelona world champion our MotoGP or run I be a born near cancer Formula 1 and I just F1 your GP and I am MotoGP. Now I'm Grand Prix. I just know and some about 2024 MotoGP World Champion. You follow Jorge Martin Almoguera. Oh no, and a Dominion say we can do a wrestling now champion in here. And to much about our bra. Atletico Madrid, Albert Deportivo, Alaves. Minimum Sabana Wako win at all. Boy is all mobile. Those what he can win. The young weekend as well as I let you commercial. The beginning of Paris or no, and Yamiarma kick off. Ababaya, you can say be a kick off for us normally. Ebiam Periphonic one, my born about Santalana, reference a can wear Shana, or Bonica Cabina, your boy some proper Edyaman say, one on a world champion. Way and some are right now. You found Warrior Mountain and Mogera. One on Anna Chessa 2024 world champion, whereby a kick off. And San Atletico, woman some any Tabatiba Lava for game, no, and no, and some Basua, yet the update, am I to final pay, and some other shows of Bonsa. Jamesa can say, Uraba could be, yes, one like our council, no, at the IS Sports Department. You found David Escudi, no reference as could say, oh, yeah, Basa Fana, come to yam. Na aye kam new enche bia o mawie yedi bro nya kwawie na no kware de o kan say acha ne sa yedi e bia new year never be run our Valentine we say the month of February FC Barcelona and some other meki o mo return a room and so our coming to mo mo twen say bia daban e de bia Barca e be wie twumade ne nyina no o ru an say you want to just say nyame ya doma and no the month of February and say twumade no and no and some other so na report on say kan say and some other about some boss at here and I'm a striker pa Bukaya the man last week in this Lewandowski and then tell them why day Onyan na dream crash be on them fimo and Lewandowski be say oh yes season we are was our ball a next season and some other tell we born next season so we are the next Lewandowski and some other so sample now I'm a Jamaican and now play and I'm for Jamaican kind of boss at team no one striker now striker boss at team up no when him say I'm not Jamaican say yes option number every Ukraine 2026 and yet next year 2025 because Lewandowski physically I want that so what that some nation goes out of my team no our bomber striker options like just in Yamia Duma and no somewhere next 2 years and Sena one more Ebia number one say no one more pro Dario not as a priority and some other bonsa Ben Kumsu and no and some rings on the whole and Nico Williams Biano and some other Mabaka says to Nico Williams and I see a priority at the Mabasa Monsa for me I report and Sika what here and a bear stumbling block and a bear obstacle and a bear Dentania General Dominion say still now no a bunch of Serafina and forming unity woman say Namia Masama I was out with any fans and Nico Williams no and some abba now meeting about and was say another so wait by your fans I'm team coach you found Didier the show one and it just a bumpy a meeting I'm about to casa or maybe Sabama so penny what was some Okosia captain and I said your captain Untimidium details in your Dominion so coach no yes I'm Pesabia Kakabas or the Jumano and the show is also manager no one of the about to just one bad relationship and yes I'll quite be your now yes coach and Casa per se one year could I casa because in Bapa dear one way I could down time I want to walk up a deacon of Bono there be a walk of fit battes a triho on the show no why a big boy a manager never say one will be as a one and you be unbantano at the burden abatoso our bra at this one a more door to the stand sabia ultimate bear and you one and also two we bought a young unbantana and you so also am I just only timber in Tom Crano yana I ABC basa a mu sayana sa question me anyway and a Jamaican kind of some manager no and some others will be sa Crano based on answer about and answer none because and Golo Conte about what we consider only Shuameni and the problem quite the numbers I'll cost for that Biano Sakobasa be unbantana in Bobby I cast on to me bo nebi amo Ediamo Bia about me Akodiamano. Let's say yes Ibrahim Akunate one who stakes ne rise pa ama ne okọ omoloka room am give you pass akutano no monoma okita leadership aye qualities our branko afama kanta kwa wajenahi ebi aswameni ene chese kaye Akunate no mono meme chese Akunate no mom ana chese bi ono som na betmanya adwuma no ensom abo adiama tim na no ensom na update ba Di Maria wasa kan hubiem na ensa na ba ono kwade so Di Maria say you want to just say already our kind of pain now Debbie our kind of crackabasas or repeating her was say you want to just say we are singing no doubt say football in there and you Ronaldo and you Messi and some other football in fire nyam o say gap na you Messi and see Ronaldo in term awa papa woman na ball no amba ball me Sompa ebi mo bobo ne mom with Ronaldo and compare Messi and ye because you Messi no you for be antoto you Messi you for be compare you Messi e man ye agenta wo kasa sere nyina no say Ronaldo jana abebian aye work abebi aye adwumadena na abebian Ronaldo aye sense wo ka aye pure talent anom aye Leo Messi de no aye achede ana nyame enso ademaria so ono wo hia wo din bian effort bia sebio ni dwumadi a wodi wo hyem kina na se bibi enu nti ana mo diri ba se difference adom mi enu ntam no enso emu wa aye big I know enso aye some player na ye fa no say anyo di Maria enso ado tuja meba aye Manchester for no so ba ye say man hodi wo say number 21 bounty we Liverpool ni apeba be gina pama adwuma Manchester for bon meba so enche bia na mama Leicester City I say no na make me be chose Vanishwa nya adwuma Coventry na we ye say onkwane na ma omubu free because Vanishwa ni jiri e pass adwuma na wo ball ama United no what is a chance our Premier League no mo and na me no ka say de me nya no say Leicester City for no ye say wo mo ne Vanishwa edin komo wo ka aye coaches and I say bia managers Leicester for no ma ka say sia na cheso wo na ye fa no say for chance no da ba wono nya no ba bi kwae no omo mo hwe chire no a cheso no aye server da ba and na busua no ye so mo ne Vanishwa ka say sie and e ko ba say bia Steve Cooper wo mo jane kwaya e bia Vanishwa Leicester City adwuma no and so mo betimi akwama no Arsenal Ricardo Calafiori e good news Jamina no say weekend wono e betimi abo game e dia ma Arsenal wa bra wo mo so ane Nottingham for game no and no so aba so Liverpool meti so mo say wo mo enya aye Marcus Thuram omo pe na Liverpool ni Marcus Thuram de ba kwa wa na say boy na oil for free Mochi Gladbach will be ntimi an convince akodai e ma ne ya bowie Inter for fire upon on Michel Bisa oba 85 no 85 there 85 million euros and to say Liverpool say ampani ampa wo mo some Marcus Thuram adia you say Inter for say ne close no omo koti 85 million euros and sana wo mo jaim ama Thuram and so anya chance about body ball and so ama Liverpool bobo no and some update abashak di kama me ena training session na Manchester for Everton and sana yakwa enwa ena no pam no kase me di ba ko mo asesi obakwa obo se na coach ne ba no nie good morning good morning what's up so morning we dey yeni kan tiwe kakra bi asana ya baba ko no so morning
okay morning you okay morning Fudge nice to meet you morning you okay
good morning
yes na just an pay good morning are you okay good morning sana we here Barbara Studios na just Ruben Amorim one boys na kwakwaya the second training I want the second day our bro starting jumadi enwa na fa yenko enwa omo training session no enso maba so se de be be manager fa no se enso Maroska demo no masa enwa na agodie no poso kwakwa na nipa nya yaso nipa na ni nyina no se enwa training na boys ni ye ba Tom Hilton Lenny Joro Taro Malasia Messi Mount Kobe Maino Casemiro Amad Diallo Anthony and Marcus Rashford na Jamin yani nyina no sa edruba bi no obo so coach ni timi catcha Messi Mount of what was audio for Mess na chese Mess also Mess chese o impressive I say edruba manager no say Mess good movement Mess yes chasa unia madembo training ni swani enro bana wakabia tumba juba bia Amorim say pajaporo kwa udra gina da ho brawachi asa body bana so mu puni chasa pia ne kakra bi ne jana to ne yanko yanim quick abon mu nyina so kwa bra enro na hwa ye she na mame omo line up enro omo su our training report on me say kan say enro say ana ne yomasi kwa shaka project I said yama outside to the back ne dia and Lenny Joro Aya Johnny Evans and a Luke Shaw Omo and a watch Romiensa Anthony right wing back Casemiro no could be main middle Tara Malasia left wing back behind Marcus Rashford one of boss number 9 Aya Matt Diallo enemy Mount match on a good day Ober to the two crash will be but no you not just one yet to my Panama Rashford a post and right when we are training and a Rashford and the coach top session today. Na chasa top session today no am say akutia bia no ado madi kai atwam de o obache sofo no di kan ba be kasa twitwam de o kan nyina twitwam afa na me nkwaje asem na bramo di am say ta di kai nyina ba kokran won ma na aye top session mom enokra jame say kan so bi onom report here ese no kura nyame anim so far training na enwan ko Rashford and the coach and fans Ruben Amorim no wo se na e wo soro pa na amadjame say kan say management no and just a coaching staff yes woman ya just omo boy we e kita sa potential e ba be ya dwuma ti say e man you team no na jame nyam so omo nyama dwe say players no wo mo dwomo nyina kwan amoma ko wholesale dabi wo mo di be say boys bi e wo hono ma enima da so show mo ya dua a just see a manager and some no bet me European amateur motor pano and some aye kama and wo ho na mom de me nyano say sika sam no stone no wo mo cut cost until be January on shede who say man for no abey active gidi our transfer market no mo stone no wo mo diri san kora no mo no bet me aye adwuma no sample na mama we fan say aye Jason Candy can you also football na Dema Ruben Amorim a football aye very simple by me wo bai mama wa say be a new signings and ado ni batu am so mama Marcus Rashford enya boni bi mo na Omar Rashford enya boni bi bo na kwada nam I hit former wo kom a World Cup no abra wo bia be fa kwada ne la eno kwa be sama ne kwan ama Thomas Tuchel eso England esquad na Rashford eso aromu biem ano wo ho ebiem ene say omo so do omo ya adwuma nya new sign it say sexy no eni bia hwa na so de ya adwuma ma dada fo no wo I'm going to bet you I just know your foot to Jason Candy and some other man in summer. Jason Edituka
comes in. All of a sudden, you start to see that player. What about Rashford? Get a tune out of Rashford. He's 27, Rashford.
Yeah, I know.
We're not talking about a player, you know, whose career is finished. He's another one that you think in 18 months' time, if Rashford gets back to anywhere near the level that he was during the World Cup and after last World Cup, he's got a chance to get back into Tuchel's squad. Make them better because this squad are underachieving. Yeah. This squad of players are nowhere near what they should be. I know there's been some bad performances, and I know there's individually they've not been good enough. Collectively, they've not been good enough. We'll get a tune out of them. Work with what you've got. Manchester United, I think, will probably their biggest job is trying to get players out and move players on. So, Anthony, let's use him as an example right now. For some reason, the player that was at Ajax, and I've seen enough clips of him, he has too many touches at times, doesn't do the simple things well enough, and he's got a little bit of an attitude. If Amorim comes in, all of a sudden you start to see that player. What about Rashford? Get a tune out of Rashford. He's 27, Rashford. Sompa We're not talking about a player, you know, whose career is finished. He's another one that you think in 18 months' time.
Yes, and no, I am some agents in Candy, so Edma Manju, or my new coach, and one and answer me talk Bishop now on here, dear.
Oh, Nana, the Biaboko.
Where's that be? I find oh, you're mad about here.
No. Nah, no of a report to you.
Oh, okay.
Okay. It's the end one, and I'm a person with the man. Ben one is so never said you're quite rich.
Okay.
Any baby you could dear. It's over Aquaba.
Yeah, row.
Aye.
Sompa sports. Can we make pouch or cacra? Because I can't come up. When the man is original. Did they work out in a no crate?
No crate. Martin.
Bishop Yankwe.
Hey! That's really the cause we are.
Fancy. What are you talking about?
Amorim.
Yeah.
Amorim.
Yeah.
What?
See that training? What are you doing?
I tell you.
3 back.
Double pivot in front.
See
and we come now we pass. Wolves. Cross.
That go us.
Sompa sports. Sompa sports.
Right. Right. What are you talking about, Amorim? Amorim ball.
Yeah, travel me why.
Way back. What? 3 back at the back.
Na me no need na double pivot. Double.
Full backs overlapping.
After diagonal passes in
left,
left.
Right. Left. Right. What are you talking about?
What are you saying? Amorim ball.
Yeah, the Bruno Amorim.
What?
Good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning. Good morning. Good morning.
Sorry, they have a day. I was here. Good morning. Good morning. When you
Okay.
If you are saying drip, a womb. Amorim ball. Massa. Center back, zigzag, crossing, diagonal, left.
I'm not trading Ukraine. Machine gun.
What are you talking about? Never drew Bruno Fernandes to FIFA, and I'm dictating play and orchestrating attack.
Oh yes.
What are you talking about?
The creative machine.
What are you talking about? Opportunity na pass na kwano too short.
Buyaka.
Never.
Eddie.
Say you market one in England. What are you talking about?
What are you saying?
What? Amorim ball.
Yeah.
You know be akwaba and then you market one crown here be no ha. But then the Amorim ball.
Sompa
Amorim ball.
Yeah.
Is the Bruno Amorim.
Yes.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning.
But on record, I had 3 back. Double pivot.
Cross.
Full backs
Overlapping. Yeah, pajama the nitia bom kanai. And right. Kanai.
Left.
Yeah.
Right.
Yes.
What are you talking about?
Oh, my God, there's so much.
Messi dia asem na here kan. Then omo ye. No, baby, no. I'm yeah, line up no ha. Unde shara ku ni video dada no. Yeah, line up no. Masa abutre. Masa.
When they say training line
what
up.
are you even saying?
Where training line up?
Where training line up? Miss, cut across, press. Masa, what are you talking about?
Good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning.
And that's Chris. Good morning.
Good morning. You okay? Good morning.
The players we had dapa for papa. One control top training session. Hey!
Some passport.
Good morning. But look, it was a top training session. So Odi can be an iPad no so the maum. And Obi are here tactical outlay no. OP no. Any in possession no. And steady here. And here setup no. With players in mind. With space in mind. Absolutely. First pass now, boy, and uncle. And Amorim now call us may stand here and not 2 pass. So what I say. And no chance said, this is how the Amorim ball is. Into so one to me. What's Mace? Into Mace one concept no. And no some. And no say Hano.
As a really.
Into Mace will invert as a double number 10. Tactically aligned with the dispositions of the Amorim.
Yes, and the wing backs
will fly.
Will fly.
Will fly.
Up and down.
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 What are you talking about?
What are you saying?
Some passports.
Tie ball now block wing backs in the channel now Bruno Abba central to occupy your defensive midfielder. Take the ball, turn, and then orchestrate the play.
Creative machine.
That's him.
Quick.
Touch
and move.
Touch
and move.
Touch
and move.
Now grown yet.
Talking club next week.
Adwuma we no. Buying la no. Obi ankope fire service. Basit only ichimu no. Monkope England fire service enko Ipswich. McKenna no obeda. And now your referees be ready to cover ×2 the ground you cover.
Yes.
Jared Gillett mo amodidi amia rich chinga sa muntimi ntumika na muda via so no. Send your Amorim pass nisi kono. You must be hands on deck flying so that you can catch the action.
Obi say I said I'm a coach and it's Mace. Whether Mace or see Mace is another carrot.
Adwuma yes hye no. Anya adwuma ketwa. Munya adwuma ketwa o.
Some passports.
Dear BM Naka. Assembly and you hope you. What I say? A panichopi. Yes, then you need Yasem. So I say, and I mean no crano. Send ya dinner see a coffee club so nusin intino. Mean to me your club babon. So I say, but they beba. And then no mum need it. I come out the time, man. Thank you. Into their sum. The person I can say some I know for Ashe. Ubi Ashe, come on.
Blaster.
Come on, me.
Blaster.
I'm to share my phone.
There be. I'm not sure say San Marino create my show.
Now San Marino no Sharak my more highlight no. They lead to more third goal.
Touch no.
I'm not sure San Marino create.
Sharak go there San Marino for highlight and lead to more third goal of family.
Dream safety. On betcha blasters are shown.
I was shocked, Shadi.
Shocked.
Where San Marino for no.
It's all coaching
against Liechtenstein.
Thank you.
And for the first time, almost more than one.
Two touches all. Touch.
Hey.
The pass goes in. It cuts back, and then there is the touch. What are you talking about?
This is San Marino.
San Marino.
Some coaching need to know Amorim Yejuma or Chen in Yoma 1 or 2B. When they're bano, so I say, coach name San Marino. Ebe Italy cry friend Rimini pa. San Marino ankasa kra say ujina Italy wa hwe ebe ka say one of their provinces.
China team for no be wo mu no.
Omo kasa omo kakra Italian. San Marino baby e won say na titi Roman for no island e friend rap. Enti San Marino ankasa as mine near the two Saint be a friend Saint Marinos. You get it? It's a small landlocked country. So they are the lowest ranked country in FIFA's omo they are so much Liechtenstein. Omo ni aji. And they deserve to be happy. Football sanity. No sia ebom prenu. Nti na ne enkan sem bebre ne mum pesika. Na pen nam for papa. And they are Israel atoto paye e Beirut, Lebanon. Asa to be e hospital be mo Gaza. But on bebo qualifiers na ko US.
San Marino asa qualify to UEFA Nations League C.
And so ma gain promotion about.
Massa. Yes, so you go prelims. Because yasa ntino Russia for no so mo World Cup ni bia enye hwe ka Donald Trump ye so ni in wia on FIFA for no country say World Cup no about 2026 for US on some of Russia maybe e be hwe ni ebesi but you fancy me o de ye na no. Have you checked the diagonals and Amorim no man ye ne extract ni bia na oh me that's it there.
But fancy you see the topic about Marcus Rashford said build the team around him, you know, quite funny and everyone said to the Biana at the same time. The Biama friend said, oh, young lad. Marcus Rashford is 27 years. In football, that is your peak period. I would say, if Amorim wants to be successful at Manchester United, the best player at Manchester United are on building the team around Bruno Fernandes, nobody else. Nobody else within the team. Because who a player were creating the most chances in Europe since time I'll buy. Who a player were creating most chances in the Premier League since time I'll buy. And then Uyi Omomaye involved in most goals and assists in the Premier League or the Mo Salah since it's all about the Premier League. So you look at the influence Mo Salah is having on Liverpool, then you treat Bruno the same way and you get your results. Rashford dear, Medina Midim Panacho. First season of Obon Kama, the following season of Beira. But I'm so happy for Mauricio Pochettino and his United States national team.
Yeah. And I policy Donald Trump asano.
I'm so happy for him because of what he went through. Pochettino was never a bad coach. Found himself in the wrong moment at a club.
Sompa
They were also battling to build themselves out of a chaotic environment. Because after Roman Abramovich free Chelsea, none your man shut down to two DBS. Sika Bermudia. But it doesn't mean that structurally they were okay or they were fine. Menon, Medicaka said, Jumana, Mauricio Pochettino, ye or Tottenham. And they Tottenham Omunyas are coaching the BBM. And he has got them believing coming into the World Cup. May Adi and I make the panic say, so when your host nation, my World Cup here, no one believe no to me, but tournament, to be my World Cup near the bar. The reason why I need tie G2018 World Cup near Kobo Russia, you look at the story of Russia. Adia Russia Bay World Cup 2018. Look at the results of Mubinyai against even a Spanish national team. And fancy, you look so much happy for the Russian national team as to what they did. Yakobon or Hon we know say US ankasa de omo basketball dominant, NFL dominant, cricket no money in a movie, baby, but soccer ankasa na. They are not so much inclined with soccer. So I think this is the moment for them to start loving football. And Mauricio Pochettino is going to lead that revolution. So abaho, abeye born, amene born abeye so much important to them. And I'm so happy. Say he has started on a very good route. Omo de beru man, omo de akwa kopie the World Cup, e ma tournament ne bono. Ene nyom be di akire nyina ya akono. Na mu ye de pa. Na man am ko hu Scaloni nsem bi a wo ka Scaloni say qualifiers in the matches omo born this time around. Or put into contest or more ball eje Copa America and the Argentina. Any omo ma ball World Cup ni bi no. Ano de omo be shame the boy. But the next international break in 2025. Yeah. A form and no performance. And I bet you the national team no be more run as we be more. Honesty. Who plays Argentina? There be in the pool of football players, who are quality to Argentina. And it tells you the reason why he is successful with the Argentine national team. Because already every single player accountable to the performance and how they react. So in 2025, Ghana no Romano. Oh yes, because at the club side, if you are not consistent enough and you are not getting results, you are not going there. Munya more. Lautaro Martinez, Sompa go and said, there are some players I'm sure say they are Timo they are build spine. Now some spine or more mudimunti man be out 2 years on why they say form bit Kuti Romero. He's so good, difficult. Emiliano Martinez. What you say? Enzo Fernandez will need to work on his class form. Because other super team be now asubet ma ehye other super team be now na super ehye. Rodrigo de Paul has always been playing for Atletico de Madrid, but I think the level of adrenaline or the two players in the team no, it will only make you work hard our club side say the beya obeshema because Argentina wants to win the World Cup 2026 and they have the qualities. You can't say for player team on team about a lot of matches now in some lose until recently. Then Paraguay so be say so munya abotre tenas no mu hihye team na carbon most of these kids in the graphic no moba ometima ba be ya adwuma ne de amomo. And I think that this is the right mentality I watch say odi coach a top national team, and I think he has lived up to the bill.
Whoa. Meza mate me da se ne nyoma ne do so pa anti ene kakra sana yakwe ne wallpapers no ene ne blind curtains no op wallpapers ene se me control se bra na ba gibi mo besa mo gibi eton na mo start mo business no woni op enso enkasa bedside lamps wo benya TV backlight what a sulfur light in be aba and a plastic wardrobe center carpet air diffusers what a bed spread aba or king size and a queen size enso ho or duvet ewom intidudo bi so Jibiano, when OP Ekasa, when Sabekabina, one so why you see Amacha said Damo Deco, and yes, in sending announced I am very simple, a doom pizzet. Nanaka see Ajma Branch Renamuna on Sabekano, and our chronom so our barrier on the market, a D and share 0540 353750 Feeble Ventures Omo and a day Ashford Prince and Ashford Princess Ashford Evidence and executive friendly and a Galaxy and swaba now a toothbrushes a brush teeth and a kama a real symptom a year jumani year manioma and so I find a simple ma Afrofresh herbal toothpaste and one also use ye and non our natural herbs a ball was say and oh gamma pamo morning and one and so a sham feeble I will possess and do not be out piano. Women be 0535452263 now Fibo and so enjoy so now Morocco for the Abema and young Quadatimo ye diagrokra.
Please. The project and investment and the vision and direction only be so please. You can only admire them. That's it. Now Nigeria, Maka, and I'm repeating this. We are established nation of Africa. I've said this over 10 years and I keep repeating it. We are so-called established nation in the past with rich history, new pedigree. And the African game, no, so might translate it on the pitch. Time I ran that South Africa 2-0, I thought a lot of people say, oh, and then we they say a fluke. Now they've done this OU against Nigeria. Now, clearly, Minim Maduka Okoye, I mean, the first guy thought of his experience should have done something about it. make the free kick. That was well delivered by Jojo Quisera. And then the bullish header from Jimmy Angie Mushinzi. But the point also is that Nigeria, NTRC said, if they don't do the 3 centre back, they'll struggle. Only Makado said that is the best structure and system Nigeria can play with. Now, Semia Jayenya Mazelte was not available. Calvin Bassey, Gabriel Oshu, now they have to go to a 4 back. Gabriel Oshu have to pay William Trostekong. They were struggling. On 2 occasions, Innocent Ishuti or second go Trino, and it had to take William Trostekong to clear the line. But Biom said, Osai Samuel Onya Ola Aina. Going forward, it was not that brilliant. To Kelechi Inacho was struggling. He struggled throughout the game. Victor Boniface, I think he needs prayers. The 2 chances he even had, it was a pass from Dele Bashiru. He wasted it. Now, Alasan Yusuf Wambejumanke, he was Bizimana and Gilbert Mugishu made sure said they closed him down, made it difficult for him because he was the DM. And the first half, Rwanda had 2 chances. Before the first half ended 0, they had 2 chances. Inshuti, Enya Bakun, and then Abrantia Bizimana, long drive, missed narrowly. So this was a team, and we had determined, set on Besobusha Nigeria. They covered a lot of grounds, they did so well. Dele Bashiru had a poor day, a bad day. You see the same thing. Frank Onyeka, Ebesisa, Frank Onyeka Bemu, very early in the second half. Frank Onyeka Besa Alasan Yusuf. And then Samuel Chukwueze Besa Kelechi Inacho. Clearly that led to the goal. Frank Onyeka passed to Samuel Chukwueze and that led to the goal. Then after Rwanda decided to bring in Samuel Gillette, who changed everything. His pass, his intelligence, his ability to distribute the ball very well. Apart from the free kick, that led to the second goal in shooting share, and then nearly led to a third goal, but missed narrowly. So they deserve it. They play so well. Victor Osimhen. Listen, if the player is fit enough to be on the bench for the national team, he should start. I disagree with that. Then he has no business coming. 77 minutes ordinary by Dele Bashiru. They've already killed the game. If you know, baby. Omar Sadiq Aprasa, Nansen already recovered. How do you bring Omar Sadiq to come and replace Boniface? What do you say? So, a reality check on African continent, and don't be surprised, we have more BCC. Only America about Comoros. Brilliant work by Stefano Cousin, the coach. Brilliant job. They've done an excellent job. Look, Comoros are picking 10 points from 4 matches. After match day 2, Comoros were 2 points. Sompa Sports. They beat Tunisia. Tunis. A draw with Tunisia, 4 points. They beat Gambia away, 7 points. Enra Yasin Buhani, I'm making sure say was stamping authority. In the group where Tunisia is, Comoros top the group.
For game no anymore.
So they are not a fluke. On performance, no, they are not a fluke at all. The coach has done a great job. Rafik Hamada, brilliant. I mean, look, Mizioli Maulida, they've done well. You see Munchengana, great guy, Yasin Bohani, who scored a goal yesterday. And Leon centre back, no. Look, Wamd, Omari, and Dahoma have been superb at the back there. Goalkeeper Yannick Pando. So, solid job by this team. They've done well. Beating Tunisia, pick 4 points from Tunisia, topping the group. Excellent job. Disciplined team. Hard work. But the coach is doing a great job. Come Morocco. And now, Wale Regragui decided to do something he's not done in the qualifier. For the first time, only Elise Bensege Bebo central midfield, and then Abdel Ezazuli, and Zuba left-sided midfield, and then Sofiane Amrabat Ebo as DM. Then he put Opushi Azedi Unai just behind Brahim Diaz and Sofiane Rahimi. Something is not done, but or try say AFCON, but so he was trying. It was a disaster for Lesotho Mange. And Brahim Diaz, after 4 games, he scored 7 goals. Incredible. Look, the young man, the quality of the Real Madrid, but look, of a simple guy. He's brilliant. He's been the sparkling force behind the Atlas Lions of Morocco in the last 4 games of Mabo. He's a delight. Every game won't be is a delight to watch. And then now he's work. The first goal she assists referee Azedi Unai. Second goal referee Abdel Zazuli. third goal free Sofian Rahimi. So it means the system the coach put in place, the first system, person whether how the two top on any Sofian Rahimi Ebebodo, how it works with the midfielder, it's been superb. And Onwash a hat-trick. What a way to score a hat-trick in the game. And don't forget, say 1-0 away again Lesotho. He was the one that scored the only goal also in the 90th minute. So again, Lesotho was focus. I mean, this boy is just enjoying himself. But listen, there is a team without Amorim Richardson of Fiorentina. He's part of the team already. Okay, boy, now Akomach of Villarreal. Brilliant winger, Akomach of Villarreal. Then don't forget, say Hakim Ziyech. We are not even is he missing the team? Omo boni deal on Kahu Hakim Ziyech in Kahu. Adilami Leverkusen. Those are his men. Look, some bad tournament na ebia the typical Moroccan problem with AFCON. Say no amba. Maza, we are in for a hell. Any team that made Morocco, especially on their soil, Aki Mohamed Ohono. Because they are going to be a delight to watch. Go soon there, everybody and Fifi left, right, any baby. You can call them for a friendly and see what happens.
When Black Stars in Morocco, so Black Stars say Morocco friendly. Also, few because players prepare no uniform Wow, and Black Stars sent you and your money Benny Kakra. Some many a doctor, Jenjamit, and Black Stars aftermath and some of the doors why more. I know you say coach in some trouble for Akrana and yes, I'm going to Accra. Coach say on resign. Well, yeah, you man that club money at the moon and no crowd or no resignation count. Crabby be a fan, walk up and qualify. Dog now where dear?
Roma.
Okay. Okay. Mate Yintiwe, so dog the audience a boxing ball and be so bad. I know what to be, I know what to be cry.
There be meant
time.
It will be that similar friends. Before when you so much you were here for you now. A gentleman dental clinic. Gentleman dental clinic, you may idea and see a ball send home by near CC or Seno. Said ye a Seno IBA and I say, or how be about a Seno Hono, you be here a mauna, once so what to me. I then asama or Seno, I'm a confident level net to me, I find. Now, gentleman dental said the ye you maintain Ghana for Ajia to me, pa your Ghana half an IBB. You and cry 2 branches and a 1 cry nungwa any atomic and a udru kumasin so yo Abrepo Junction takurade gentleman dental ewo yo Tadisco Junction wa and a gentleman branch and so san woko for you a central police station ho afen so udu techima so a gentleman dental yewo aflawo gentleman ewo ha yesom o mine na menu ya said ye debia yesua bibi kakra no and ye beka missing teeth hoate asem missing teeth you can missing teeth in front of say esia atu afri ho anase esia afri ho eno no frɛ say onya missing teeth anase oseno atu anase afri ho na eseno emfri ho keke eye bibi ena betimi ama obisin ayeden afri ho because nyankopɔn ne nyansa mu no osene dodo egu wonum nyina no eye 32 se bibi etechima na a folly any kwan say folly below 28 if you say folly below 28 no ba bia no a wanim ebesesa because esena ye hu no ho no eno ne ma utimi kasa na okasa ye te say eye asumasi na e kasai opening kwado na e kasai anase Mr. Frimpona e kasai eye wo sene ne ma that tone no na say afi nsuso eseno esan etimi ema yanim eyefe said yanim no ehye yi no ye hu no say o ho yefe anase o ye nice person no eno nsuso enema osano wo sene ne ma wanim etimi etisa no enti e fall below 28 abema wanim ai penin achen umfie ankasa waye den wadi no na afi nsuso no esan ma wo sene aka ho no so ahode ntimi eden ekofom if you say ya hyehyɛ esen no ebia ne partner o kan lower and upper teeth no esiso a anase o wisa ade a esiso a ebia wo ne partner ene ne hia se baako efiri ho a etimi ema ne partner no a ewo ho no struggle eno nti no bon se na eno nso ankasa e pull out na hyase na ye mobile afen so etimi allow cavities obon se na esiase a ye friend toothpicks no obon se na achi esen no se baako efiri mu a obon se etimi ma sa ne ma na etimi hyehye esen ntam na afi ahyase esei esen no enti obu ho na ne esen tutu no eye ne yakakra bia no wakɔ baabi no wakotu ne sen doctor se de ye mpatu preko entu sen se yetu esen a last resort ade a etwa to kra no because we 32 no ya said the partner say wobɛkɔ wo kra chi na na wo sɛ wo sene nyina egu onum bas BBC anase wotena se ema edum pempenso bi a wo sɛ yeyi na wo hotɔ wan sana doctor I recommend say yentu esene ma enti sɛ wo sɛ no efiri hɔ a ɛwo sɛ wotimi enso so no ɛyɛ tooth replacement sɛ wanyɛ replacement ɛno so won sunsan so bebree na obi wɔ hɔ a na ɛsɛ no atu afiri hɔ sɛ wo sɛ no etu firi hɔ a wobon sɛ eche na wonsi ya ema kwasen na mo ankasa obon se na ehi na reduce enti obon se na eho no shrink enti obi wo ho a be so many years be 10 years ne se no 2 years no onye replacement obe ba clinic no obe hye esen no obon se na kwan esan edase eno nti ye frɛ bibi se e wo se otime de gam eto akiri se be ya ebitimi ahye ho kama eno nti se wo se no tu a enu kwan se ode tena se a mfie bibiri ansa na wakose okosi ose esene free ho a e wo se otimi tu anamontem na oba clinic na yehye esene foforo edema eyesa na ma wo sene ankasa ahoden no atimi agina eyi na afi nsuso no usi esene no nsuso a oba gentleman dental ye options bibiri eno nti na se opese osusi a wo se wo de call dental clinic wo de ko hu doctor onimde ewo esen ho asem ho because ye wo de edidi so a obetimi ahye oseno as option eno nti se wantu anamo anko hu o dentist ana wo se wamba gentleman dental clinic na ukoba bia obun se ye bibia de hye wa obotwae ne se nka sen na wahye no obetimi de adidi enso obi wo habon se wahye ne sen odidi agye se osan yito o kasa wo nipa mu na ewo so na refi no ho na etofom ni nyina no eye anamo papa bia wo se nka otu a wantu eno na amasa problem no afa abasa no because ese no wo sha ewo se utimi esan eye te se de na wo se no etie pepepe eno nti no oba doctors ebenya adaje na ya sign a restore teeth ni ya replacement na ma ama wankasa no wasan feel se de anka ne na wo se no wo ho na etie pepepe enti se wo se no atu afiri ho a ho hia enkasa na wo se no ye wo ya enti no aye brebre afiri ho a ho na ayeden atɔ da bi basa na obon se ogam no ebetimi asa de nsunsan so bebre ene betimi de aba wo se na aka wo ho no nso na ebetimi asa ma wonim asesa se de ye kan ye no eno enti no fo woni kire gentleman dental clinic yenjumadie no yewo Ghana half an eye bebre oduru takrade a yewo Tadisco Junction odi wani ahwese okoba nchase former GN bank babia na ewo no
Sompa sports
dental yewo ana afin so wo Kofoidu anso ayo Kofoidu Central Market ho udu Central Market wo ufiri abro sana na oko Central Police Station no afi ba konso so ewo Nungwa main lorry station usi formal station ho na ode wa free ana say atomic down do mekwa benya runabout ehon so ye branch ba ko tachiman yo kenten kwan ne so ha magazine market kwan ne so eho gentleman dental branch ba ko ewo ho ana say wo Kumasi dia Kumasi Abrepo Junction udu Abrepo Junction udi woni be kire kwan na ase ekoji runabout no eho so gentleman ye branch ba ko ewo ho ana de udu Abrepo Junction obetima free ye numbers na wo screen ne so no bia 055
055
913
95
82 055
913 95 82
ya doctor ne nurses ewa homa no so o ba branch bia ba bia wodru bia no o pe assistant and o pe se o ne doctor twetwe nkobo fa problem no a o be free any of the numbers ne bia no doctor eno be didi nkomo anamo e wo se utufa wo se ne ho ebebo no na yaye edi ama gentleman ye sign so ye ora ye wo ora shop e wo branch baby a ye wo ye gentleman mouthwash gentleman toothpaste ye wo paste so ahodo bebre a ye wo sensitivity toothpaste teeth whitening paste ye wo for cavity and ye wo for gum breathing paste ahodo bebre this ye num ye wo gentleman mouth spray eno no e bia ukonipam nya fe na ukori chewing gum bia e dia making noise ho within 6 hours na da so e wo num eno ni nyina no ye gentleman mouth spray ni nyina bi ewo na se de gentleman pese ye product ye protect ye product nti no oba ye kan ne kenkoa ene ye ton ye product ni bia
that's right
eno nti ukọ gentleman branch bia obinya gentleman mouthwash ho ene gentleman toothpaste ni bi ho se de o problem no se de wo mu no ana se hawa ewo wonum ne wo sene ho no eno na obebisa ne yi ho paste e de ama because de bia no ya na yetufu se enyisu paste bia keke se bia na me na bi eyisu paste we nti na me so me yisu bi ana se ye de ye fie paste we ne yisu da bia enye ne sa ana se paste we boyefo e wo se o hwe hu se o kasa enka wo mu a e wo se o hu se paste na o yisu no and serve the purpose I would to and I say ODPC no and I say won't say Nanyama send mu was a cavity 2 place for me all the time and so pisia no pania numere Nina was so young and to placa pista and also so a bit may use Nyaman so a dear free ho and Koyusu pay severe who you soon have a discalao teeth no won't say Opesa was senior white and so now was sending a yellowish Nina also so a type of pista who you see a bit much retro pista containing fluoride be brebiano a sign Emma or send a discala but a massen so aholding. And to said the opesa or senior no any veteran say it was so to me you so pace way or you so mouthwash way and I say after examination by doctor recommendation you who gum strength no said you'll see a chinam na holding and said the opesa or send us who pace or you soon efanoa and no better mouthwash any piece I would say utimisu and until who here say every 6 months if you also to me to an amount a who or dentist and I say oba gentleman dental clinic for professional checkup. Na ye hwehwe mu a ye wi a ya make recommendation ya ma oral advice nso a ubetimi dia bo sen ho ban 90 years 80 years 100 years na e wo se wo sen na eden egu wonum eni bibia mu se wo nyina e wo se wo sen etutu anamo a ofri samre a 12 na nti na woduru mpanin fie so a ese no etutu no enti ofri samre na udi niam a ye kan so na otu ho anamo all the time a ubedi 100 years na wo sen nyina na obekọ kreti na wo sen na egu wonum sa na e wo se obia timi ebo ne sen e ho ban Yada atifu asi. Frejenje med ewo ya homa no so 055 913 95
82. Wow, doc, yenso yada sepa P for time. Yada sepa. Yes. Joy Ken Roofing Company Limited. Gentlemen, Anna Wate Doc and Canona tournament and so Becca was match was Bruno also the tournament na so Tiabeka was a so at the now Joy Kem Roofing Company Limited say mo project a drum pen so say mokata mo dinosaur so boss away no and your roofing sheet bia can also use your roofing sheet just no and a recommended edema IBR self lock afa MSL and IoT we now standard sheet and tiles nina no aye Joy Kem and so adarama omo site no ma ba free estimation and so amount just branches na draws for dino babia we see say bia babia so tile to your the be recommend am awiano so ba your dear and no ba gi awiano na madam ayunyunu kama na sa to and so e de ahwem nina no wan tie na kom obia ma wa odadam na fe dan nyunu odadam na mu hyehyehye ntimi na ho and so e manenye Joy Kem and so aye adwuma Kumasi ya Sokoban and Pame Omni police station no edi and Misha branches ne doso and crying Techiman Sunyana nomne tamale nom baby amo ho 0540 125816 Alaska Star Enterprise and so bright now the can you understand them what a blank curtains are original and the wallpapers ni biaba now do no biaba so to biara won sa be kan druwa say baako enemy nu and say ni dudum no won sa ebeka bi wo pepper spread e dey akọ hotel ni eyo nia your fan say guest house and simple wow dem or different designs our sizes our modern TV stands and the TV backlight best lamps ni biaba or ma sofa covers FPA and after decorative watches and then the flowers and or center mat and a plastic wardrobes PVC floor tiles afei we benya carpet artificial grass just open be out on your mari be CC we dem ni na Alaska say yen kan trust somebody and so be ba na so mo nkran ne importam no aye circle tiptoe lane and simple to do one MTT the office no and so a D and Kumasi or Doom on a Prudential Plaza and so any D and Mrs. Anoche Plaza no a more per first floor and Abignano 0256 33 0075 Alaska and so abajo so na Jean's toothpaste and Jean's toothbrush no and some juma pa Jean's whitening and Emma sen mu nyam ne epie Emma cheso kwonipa ma oseno and some fita kama Jean's herbal natural herbs ewom yanka se ha no mo de aye and nti so brush tita yinka efu onum Emma gam ne oseno and some nya hodema pa Jean's total care ebeke cavities and nia ya fanasa plaques and alpha aka ne nyina no ɛno nso etu aseɛ ɛma kyese tooth decay ɛno nso ɛkɔ ɛma wose no ɛne wɔnum ɛnso ɛyɛ kama kafɛfɛ a kyese o kasa nipa ho a ɛnkɔnkɔ fasen bia nso ma brush ne nso yɛwɔ nkwadaa deɛ wɔ mpanimfoɔ deɛ ɛwɔ adodo bi a nso bɛso nya bia no kɔ Ghanaian market ne so a ɛyɛ Jean's toothpaste ɛna ɔmo brush ɛnyɛ na ɛnso abɛdwa so Bafu Polo wɔsɛ yɛn kan kyɛw so ɔda so yɛ adwuma wɔnwie ana ɔmmra yɛn so African print no ɛnoa no using or the pam polo shirt round necks v-necks ɛne mpo nia ɔbɛsɛ ɔpam bia no ɔno nso ɛbɛpam ne kama ma ɛma deɛ wɔ hɔ ɛna mɛma nso deɛ ka program bia wokɔ bia no wotumi hwɛ Bafu Polo ɛde kɔ abrɔkyefoɔ no agye to place you order nia nya atade no ma real quick afei yɛ Bafu classics ɛwɔ hɔ ɛno lapel tops and down and shim and afei ayade say kaftan 3 pieces and the aka ni nyina no obeso mo pam suit emawa and so Bafu Polo be pam and so ama efepa ahenema kokobin of Santas Obuase ekwan so 0249 600789 Bafu Polo and some abajo so some patche de na beba so afi shadows mom say ye ma me kuna fo ene chesen kwadana mu ni binom ye mu nyina so adoye papa de oya ontontwene kra ade bia wo da wakoma so abese nyame ye ma no kakra bia betimi bia bosom pa ne fa bre ne ehwen sache so nkra twedi ampon enso beye enso ewo dwumadi awodimu na sompan kranza awo GCB building ewon kranza ana sompa sunwane ye wo night market ana so am house yabeje odian ayentade ana say mpaboa empo say mo ana abeso de ba say 5 kilos ay 25 do no be abeso de ba bia na besom ne adawase cooking oil tomato paste afi macronum ene chese do beso de ba bia no ay besom momu enso na beso de ba 0598 559802 ana 0241 272990 Edia baba air Blizzard Foster and I said to 1 media fadia break na nyame enyina so na fe yenhraw esa so bakunani ekase nyame nhwa no osrea e de nhra pi ene ba wa brabom no wakwan mu eno enso no ye den oba real quick ye ba na ya ba beto aso.
There's nothing worse than your multi-bet missing, but nothing better than having it saved. Bet Saver. Here's Kwame and Yao. After hours of planning, both have locked in the same perfect multi-bet. Big win for United, over 1.5. And both teams to score in the London Derby. But who could have picked Leicester over City? Or a high-scoring game at the Bridge? There's nothing worse than having your perfect multi-bet missing. But there's nothing better than having it saved. Bet Saver. Win, even if your bet misses.
Mama kwa baba gentleman dental clinic yedumadi ayedi ane say yebisisi wosen na yabo wosen ho ban ama wonum enso ati anase wosen animonyam so afa na ntuma pa efi wo fix one no anase aye tafro na permanent one no eno susu yesi a untimi entu bi eno ene efe no PFM bridge anase PFM crown afi yesan eye cleaning services oba ye profession no na ye finish scaling and polishing se edia enema bi ahyehyehye esen mu se bi okasa etimi mapampan ene ade ebagu na no oba gentleman dental ye ni nyina bi ewo ho gentleman dental clinic ye wo Koforidua Central Police Station enchen ho na wodru enkan so a ye wo nungwa na atomic down do me kwa benya runabout no so ho na wodru takwade pipe ano traffic light na ewo pipe ano ye ni OGN bank na wo the same premises na kachiman so ye wo magazine market kwan so wa anase opposite AY Ahmed na udru Kumasi Abrepo Junction Total Filling Station wa traffic light na anihwe G runabout no free Total Filling Station na yabron san na edi ho ye adwuma free eda juada kopem eda memeda witimi afre ya homa no e wo 055 913 9582
if I shop na me sha dey o bag bra ade and not so bien ah what time me say see ba queen why me say
bra said your time about Misha esia Jimmy ni me fearful enya dia ba ko pe ebe so ye
me dey do this ofo ni nyina
bra se me ka se me di time about Misha ho dance ya wiase nyina ebe temenka enti se malaria wadra ni time about Misha
enya nu ko die na nu ato a wontumi ani die no wadra ni time about Misha edwe enya ma oba wa fa afuro die wo ma akoda nofo enya akoda woni mfie dumienu ansa na obeto time about Misha edwe bi no hwese wako hospital anasa lab am wo hu se wo agidi malaria bi ansa
ayo se time ye TIME time about Misha afi malaria fever bi ada ni ziba ewo mu no ebe tua ubenya bi ato ewo over the counter medicine sellers any herbal shop to do na mu FDA agi edwadue nkratoi ato
Abusaka kraka bi wo hanu meja tom na rewu sebe wo mi se abofra keto wanya 2 years akadai ba ku nti African Spider-Man bla me ya abofra keto yi mo na nipa ho hia dede bi ko so no ti kame ho ne ko hede wo mbia expectation ka African Spider-Man ba be se go abofra ba preocupe ne hu African Jack wo ba be se go abofra na wo secret kura no anything
Imboost herbal mixture and only me secret.
Na dia na ye.
Na me yetua na ma ho keka e wo fam. Ana police mi di wa dan say me say menye na me nso nhwe. Na me so we no a boost immune system. Ama say me train na me nte bre. Me timi di kama. Ama wo keka wo dum so ekoso.
Me kura so me dai yale ama mai latitude me nya ba ko.
Anye je na koso ho.
Hey, Spider-Man, what are you doing?
Mo fa me kura chen.
Ubenya Imboost herbal mixture and pharmacy and answer herbal shops. Apim for any kola mundi if you do me enom. FDA adjudged katwe at
so wallpapers papa to OP wallpapers and American for mount. So wallpapers at their decorative offices. So fee and sorry. Say ye perhaps a hodo. Baby be a wallpaper dear do juma biano. OP wallpapers Efro. Yama wallpapers ebe macho blind curtains. A ban of bedside lamps and so OP MR types or mark shapes. Colors out do nyina ubenya bi ato e wona so ye ho se open LED backlight e dey above flash screen echi a and so OP e be more bi se open self ring light out do phone be shim e OP wallpapers and e be more self ring light OP e wo Kumasi adum first floor Nana Kwesi Ajman building na mu tafo GNTC building first floor ana chronom or barrier on the market no edian hwe se open wholesale and answer retail any OP any nsawo so free OP I was 0540-353750.
Mamishe time HH herbal Mr. Bina unumi and ya wat dropa a ya draw say a mani peduan kwamwano enya hoden na akwatia yare and train yare and san wakakoto fire wadro na nomno abribia Kanoga Company Limited. What the time TIME ebe twasono wonno a na the time HH herbal mixture e dia badwaso akora wonyanya mfirihia dumienu anum bi wopemfo ene oba wa makora nufo enso anum bi time HH herbal mixture wubenya bi
over the counter medicine sellers any shop dodo na mu
so pedodo to afre 0244 417669 0244 417669 time HH herbal mixture yadro say FDA adi edwadie nkratoi atum.
I'm saying that Ghana must not introduce free SHS on the whimsical promise of a desperate politician. Many mistakes have been made by countries in Africa already with free SHS.
Akufado minya udeni uyebwe baomia minya udeni uyebwe
Hey mami jemfua na de na ma wani age awia we sei
minia se me kaya de free SHS ayama me ne me ma wo hu me hu ne minya mpo esan de na na do danko Akufado eno Dr. Baomia ayenti se wo kaya bra me kuna no hwe ye nyina efiri mu no
ane me kai pa
na ni daso nyina sa se me de me mami ensan nyina be ko school ekosi se na na do danko Akufado any Dr. Baomia at the free SHS ebaye sisi a mema miensa coffee esi any kojo any na kosko akese ni bi minia na wonim de ya no mo eka omuso omoba omode nsacha ya bebe mo ebi mo se omoba omobe twam ebi mo so omoba mbema awofo ni bi atue school fees ni bi
omo pese mo yoma de ni bi mo nti chesa why na ntua na why kwa ni free omo pese mo ya ye ni bi no esi nchen na mo side omo connection man any protocol nsem yi say free SHS papa ya yembe bayi koyo
eno ti na wo se boy ahomodin bia say ye bebo free SHS ho ban na ya no mamba mbesai ade papa na nado ene Dr. Baumia e dia brayen you
anya free SHS for ya na mama ne nkofo se anya possible yi nanso se say die
it is possible afiwe ye tu abadi abo free SHS ho ban so mama Dr. Baumia number 1 on the ballot.
Sompa ye mama kwaba e de aba Alaska Star Enterprise. Alaska de said the munimo no ono na de wallpapers e ba ye ene what the different kinds of eniema abepom e wona so ye Christmas eniema ye de siesie dem any occasion bia ade bia wo pasiesie wo dem bia se bi bete se blind curtains, center mats, sofa covers, material curtains, comforters any niema bia flowers ahodo wall clocks aye de siesie dem pe bia Alaska Star Enterprise. You will come see Mrs. Anoche Plaza building and no first floor. Nepacho Udru and Krainsua. You will take on lane opposite Circle Mall. Okay, NS Chemist building him. So Alaska Star Enterprise. Alaska Star Enterprise. Your number 1 shopping center.
There's nothing worse than your multi-bet missing. But nothing better than having it saved. Bet Saver.
Whoa. Yemra Bake na yebabe twaso ede afria yebafi ano no Blank Stars enra so far out of possible 18 points. Ghana enya 3. Yenkwa amano so 9 former player, former coach. Malik Jabel enin komo and friend free your lines so coach what to make good morning here that CP for what time at the Mason passports. Coach. Hello coach Malik Jabel. Whoa. Yeah, sound try so best reconnect na yenya coach na osan de na bana ya to so e dey flow because a hard dream to say na you see no real quick na you rest dey no enso e be see akonemom wo Dwaberuwa bank company for say yen koso na yen kan show say bo money yen so be ba wo ba woni e ba be didwa ne nyina no savings account and current accounts and shares and abeso to and also your mouth chance e wo ho obeso your fixed deposit and your money transfer and abeso ya ne nyina no onso obetimi aye bi e wo Dwaberuwa bank company for no enso aso ye susu anasene a ye fa na cash collection no eno nso omobeya ma so wudi dwumadi bi se wedding engagement parties and program ni nyina no omeba no maba ba gigi scanner ma se be bi enso enfa ba bia 0271409340 Dwaberuwa bank empany for no enkas ma me say coach asaba ma no so ma coach Malik Jabba otiminka good morning.
Good morning, everybody.
Nyame na coach o hoye.
Nyame adom, namugo.
Obadi adom adarome da so. Ekitem kakra coach CP for time na any kind out of possible 18 points. AFCON qualifier Black Stars register 3 points. Tonight say 15 points and a share. Minim so far wonya chance amonita qualifiers ni na saying ana obesi akane general overview.
I want to understand it well.
The enemy be sending in say you qualify about 6 matches out of possible 18. You register 3 points per next you lose 15. And to some who can in a job ma saying and a modern ball in the qualifiers no usifano.
It's just a big degree. So the degree is done. So you know with every election. Sure. You see, not that sometimes we want to talk, but the truth is that let's sit down and ponder. I think for the last 3 years, 4 years, the year could be wise. And so what's something why? You could have avoided it so that we don't get the last one and our last two. But there was nothing.
You have just 1 minute remaining. You can dial.
Whoa, share this and found Brad the other line so now real quick and quick enough.
That is why Nema Achita.
Okay. Well, fairness, I found a brother the line so now you fair on real quick now fee. You to us so still you be so you be sign coach every as Siana ya be and well Ghana Limited. Almost and a day Hunchun capsule sene Mr. Q and so about Mr. Q no drew a member drew our memem just obetimi enya hodema pa wompam ama osisi ya de na lowly be doing in an ebeko premature ejaculation of a low sperm count and no ebejai. Now Hunchun capsules aboa ema na kan say Johnson Jao and wa Johnson a wote say obemam ehyehew afro Johnson wie nso a na bi susu agu shots no no ni nyina nso ebejai na amanioma nso aye fine amaw na araba bazen tablet aye medro tata show your bar ya bomori ansa brebia be pebie enso anome no ena beboa ma oba wa honi die ene se wa ho siesie ni nyina nso be wie peye kama na onso wani monyam na timi apie aye 0244275429 na onim penfo ne kase san ko back na ye no coach and your coach na wano gusu ana wo kasa.
Hey, you also making my friend.
Hello, coach.
You got me, my friend. Yes, you never said your grandfather didn't do that. He's my friend too.
Hello, coach.
When she was 4, I was the friend till today. We are still friends.
Okay. Well, yes, as a coach, you're reading quite the coach, a banner, you're so dear fluent. No. Well, mamma, a year coach, a year out to after Senra Cobas of Black Stars, and so ain't me unqualified for Tuado so no, and you know, resign. Yentie a coach Otuado.
If I would have done this, I would never become a national player. I would never become a player in the Bundesliga, and I would never become a coach. You know, I have a very, very different mindset than somebody who would resign. Not a person who can resign. If I would have done.
Neso no onyo bi o resigning tinya de so resigning na resign watchna eno ayensem a coach otoado enso ene de sansemi atudwa enra ewa bra post match enso eba so ana chese de ho nsem no ema ye tifa fei ni coaching career ba bia wa ye adwuma manfo so ye scout ono so masa ono wa ye coach adwuma bre scout no de say just a kakra bi no ye anto no and coaching career no wa bodwuma pa.
License, I did my own license. For this, you always have to work in a certain position to be able to. It takes 1 year. After that, I did my UEFA Pro license. I did my UEFA Pro license as a coach to coach every team I want in the world. The license, I did my own license.
Yes, young Kwamano Sunny coach Malik Jabel and your coach. Ultimately once again, Mamma Samoa Kwabe, me and twice when I down to Dynama so far Black Stars and Modern Boy. Bet the last I 3 tournament I have called the back qualifiers in the and your cray.
It's a very long time problem. Very, very long time. And then that to me, so long. We start piling things we should have done, we should have played, we should have assembled, we didn't. And I pile up, but now we can't control it. That's what I think.
Now, Kase coach in your fit say obeli di your national team no. I know na chesa akwa basa stole confirm say Jumana na own team nye. I know can the pain say nya dey so be resign. Oh, any be mo ya adwen say ye ma coach ne mfa na Juma nto ne mfa ni pa fra na say ye ma oto ado time.
No, why the offer to all the students and the is the geofisherman. So only contingent we have by air to go and bring again. And yes, I know.
Yes.
If 3 years ago we couldn't make it, 2 years ago we couldn't make it, this year They say go and find a better coach. You went to Germany, Britain, where you didn't see any coach. And the same as you brought him back now. If it doesn't work today now, who are you asking? They should ask TGFA channel. He used to answer, not us.
Okay. Now, coach, you're not down so now. Asantoro console. Say Ghana's Man City because the last 4 matches in no Koroko lose e league ni mu. And then of course we.
Management member of football today, so I don't know what happened. He's taking only 3 people to take care of Kotoko. That is one, Morocco who takes care of the money. And then the coach, and then Akosi Apia. The wonderful thing is he is the coach in Sudan, and also on the technical director. He is the one of the team who can challenge. We are watching.
So, coach, I also repeat to be man come any beje pa. Who says si be man come any beje?
Mese. Otunfo is the owner of Kotoko. Mese Wali Odu in one facility, he is in charge of money, monetary financial problems. And Akosi Apia. So one year the technical director. So the 3 of them to handle the team. So now we have only 3 people handling Kotoko. Why should I better mind?
So, coach, you say I'm so good first coming now. Or consult more former players na mamo buano ne adia na menim ofu so bia ya sideline mo na say bia ogum enye madwen chere bi.
But that is what it says. Have you seen any old player in any committee? Have you look at the 3 committee now? Only Akosi Apia is back to the committee. Who was my captain when I was his coach? When I thought he was a good boy, after my top coaching, and when he took to, I brought him to come and be my assistant. And then now he's on his own. Let's say, well, they prefer him to handle things. We shouldn't be part of it.
So, who said then I was say be a omunya writer, every man you must sana resource na sha say babim.
You know, 1 or 2 points concern we are feeling that it don't matter. We are feeling it doesn't matter.
Coach, how
can somebody pass behind a 2 to do anything? No. Obia to even think about anything. No. So that is it.
Okay. Well, coach, about answer for time.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah. Well, Malik Jabel, I don't know. I'm off. BBI okay there.
So say. BBI guy me technician.
Oh, okay. Mate.
Me your technician of ya, BBI microphone.
I'm off on here.
BBI.
Okay.
Yeah, okay, say. I'm your technician. You might not say.
Some passports. Okay.
Yeah, me now so on here.
Doctor on here.
Now so on here.
We no cry owns me more.
Now let me na do baby ase. Me na do baby ase ana. And I'm afford you ma.
Right me more me.
And I'm say my afford you ma. And now I'm do baby ase. Asa me pass them. The buy my better na odi na your interview. I mean kaza ma come do some na me go. Chopa.
Yes, get home with you.
Yeah, a factor. Yeah, also a factor. Yeah, you piska.
Mate, that's
cigar. Yeah, when you got you. Mushe. Almost say, I won't come over there. Money stop on visa.
First also na usro.
You see, I meet me. I'm Oscar. I stop. Okay. Me more pamo if you go so no.
Matia.
Yeah, you must about Mister. Police in the drone. Of course. You draw back qua. In fact, a buoni pedia. Na a draw we say, and I don't know. Di one dance say. In fact, omunoma, omunya apomuden mapa. Na edunia kashe nyamye ni munyam say baby adu a travel adu no. Menye sure say adu be Ghana e be travel to say the imbusi dey a travel no. Because adwuma na eso na adwuma ni matre. Amanfo adi adu no we dey adanse. Ya ade ba kwa manager adu ho ye say onnom adu we ya sene yare ni ti oni paduam bia no. Eyi ni pie. Na it's a say yare no ma yare no ye dey ekoda baby kra. Ade ba gunze bi agise won pedro no unze ye won krofo bi won pedro no menu size unze won pedro no the upper iska ene ye no kre enti se obi o pedro no no so no madu na to aso ya ohun susu aso papa ohun susu aso enti anopei me kamfu imbu se ba me shedo ndi ama me show aya na ye ba ye mpese ye beki kansem kakaka o de ba me wako hospital papa wako hospital Dr. Joe Sebi, Ojanai, Ojunso, Omuja, or the Akako Fifidi Maba, or the firm Fidim Nubai, and Wababe Catcher say, Yari say na wenya, Emanen how, or the Aquakuma to yem, Wabe Fia, say Anopay, or ye cratching a wood old Tiemi, Miss So, Bomodi, Minimsek Casafidi, a quite cheaper, Marantiani de Mohe, Momodia say, so Papa will feel mammy will fee, near Mankuya near their debut or Yarida them, like Tani Den now, who didn't call hospital. Obepe imbu seba me shedrin bi daide e dia ma no na aboa ne yie pa edru so ne bonya den dia ma imbu no e ko nyina se ne bonya den enya den me kai DJ024 a owo eye oboba a wokọ eye nkoko area wo nyina wo ne hwe imbu so na dance ba ko bi ode bae ye ma me ba ko ya 95 years but one no duru na 100 bottles. Yes, and a doctor bomodin akoche adaka baako.
Wow.
And osama ni sikaye de eka ho. Tina na mkaje ze ya no modru na menza moska. Ba wa ya opiska do. Na onu modru na doctor sa che ni ya nwanwa se 95 years onkrapoma. Yes. O se kane no 90 hoko na yare ne ye ni na no ne ye na osase no yo. Ya 95 years o. Ogusu a onu modru no. Na wo a 24 years. Now over 30 years. Shasiano numbi. O two for dance back. O my back. Or say, or ya 90 years. Ne modern barber form. And the O2 woman and drew a beyenos. Papa me to do that. And was all command him was nibi. Or another crana friends say, hey, Cratchy, more do now about you more. Sako cra or 90 years we are. Yes, turn our power. Now, but I'm telling our kuchi. Ya, what I can't say, what's all him here day. Yeah, also me the Mukuchi. Oh,
other boys no Muchichi
da mo. Dear Drew Quack of a bear man. Na aye. A bear cana for bear man mubabe yemere. What is ye? Go now, no other me bear mammy penas and mammy near me teneswan maso come here. On family for because my money drama is all her picture be or the end start and now buy an offer, papa. Oh, intimate Robert, my dear. Oh, why? I was always ampa, BBI, come. No more drew. Now me masam nkosoro so me masam nkosoro o mere ya we to e ma kon oh yes because o perform very well e do anopa kro ba no sorry ana afa na bag no ko o muza azemi ra na kon ma o mera na aduane nso si ho na so de why you adwen say wa ware wi o mo adwuma na de me stories am match one me stories na say na china na wan Manchester nkwa na stories no duro na bo adwuma mo ba ne nye anadwo wan kra utimi a fam na mboa wo yipa ntimi so imbus adrone de omodin ase obanunum bi na aboa wo yipa ya okotodwe na ya wo ya waposo efufuo ma no efufuo me ma me ekuafo me papa mom yekua no modura na yaduru efe na imbus ba mesha na eboa yipa me so trotro drivers taxi drivers adwumade a mo ye nti no etoda ya na musisi na mo de bibia ya sisi ni ya mresisi ya untimi nyede mba Avia, afi no bi ba beju ajapade ayede afi wunsem. Nti me so wo ya dwumade a nonum no ni bi. Nonum bi imbus no miss any side effect bia. Onom so a onya mfaso no. Nti ade nti na wo tena no ma aka se me dia me mpa bibiduro. Ya na ye nkrofo bi o mo mpa bibiduro nso ye duro die. omonom adanse ne ba ya so ye pa obi was doctor me na me sro na me mpa bi dro me am boss chairman Jeff say nam man ba cause yes onzo no de professor me no de na bia bi dro no grana onye kai data out GTV wa ko che no brofo no ono na ka koroko nga kotoko edi adro ni de ya adro momodi ya say obenu madro ni bi na aboabo yi ba
aka chom se ne no manya ya
anya nyono ne nyono
omo yo mo se wa adro nyono na ye
dabi
ne amunim kwan ya nyono
ai di kwan ya nyono ya dabi because doctor
we an wa hwe kuni agu nkwan wadi
amani nubra ya ye di ye nro ho no ade ampe doctor asem se e ka haban ba agogora na onya ya onya duro no obetwen akopem se ni bibia be de ebe ye set nti na wa hwe ye duro ni taste no nsesa da de bia de tia na ye de etie me so wo television na ye number so good screen so for mo ba kwa ni nkomo kan yare ne fa chen uti radio na
0246
ade microphone be bia wa na 20 84 96
0246
84 96 won ko for you area wo nyina achimoda DJ 024 obehwese won sabe kan do ni bi ede e wo hono mo ye o ni pharmacy o ni herbal shop o frɛ na obebro bi e wo hono mo sanso na wo de ni chemu wo wa alajibroni wo de ni chemu e wo 1000 pharmacy obenya bi wo ankran kwabna Mokanshi Dragland ebi wo no Western North Region Teacher Solo Pharmacy ubenya bi ede e wo no Bolga A1 ho nyina ubenya do ni bi ede e wo no so pebinum ne mo ye pa malaria e na atanya no bi ya o de yade bi e ha oni padua no onum bi e beboa ya ne krakra Imbus Pharmacy on so ha tari ehemia mpajo camera no bon ya ne bo no okay Imbus Pharmacy Shadrack Fade ne yesu ye na Imbus Pharmacy ya yutunduro ye de e wo ho mo itunro ye dey mo technique no ye good ba ya kai me say next year me money next year me ba she
you sure say masa Sompa
next year me money
wa be ye to show
enti bo mo dey say good pharmacy ye tunro ho enuro le de o pe bia me ba jo doctor akwa fa China nuro ba India nuro ho UK brand ho de ye ti ade de
Japan
ye bibia because ade ne say ode ba ya atete bo no so watete so no mo ko trek ne kra de o say o ba e bo ne da formal o ma discount bi on say o ko abetofu o be maintenance
be
driver ka o ka be senior ade nto ba doctor wo kon be fa so no ko be dealing nti e say na man for ba pa because nti wo nyante nka na e bia wo ni bi ni ade a me so bra ya o ko de ya ofin so kwan so ya akode ya ben Wesley Methodist Church one na ho na Imbus Pharmacy ye de ye wo e na ye ne ya dro ya ye ya bibifo e no mo so ye dro o heba afo yi so no o mo so de nyina bi ye de ye ho etinya ye nkwan de ne ye ton wo ho dabi heba product bi a wate ne nkan bia on se we ne mintimi modi heba product bia wate ne nkan bia no de oba ho a on sabe de ebetima kam ti ya wo ba no be jo foreign drugs na wasa jo local drugs no enti we no benya bibia bi ye de e ho nti ha on se me kwa na me kwa ohono ba na be nze mo prices ni ye mo prices no from tibra na ne emra me dudwuma na emo ye pa nti me so kode ho na ye wo number no ye 0246 208 496 akwala ye friend walito e Manchester ni oso filiu pa o se me bebia na no ben ni radio no because obe hwede me ye
Sompa Sports
walito wa twuma ko fodia cha ye pa yawo obeye kwa na yaw on the Black Stars and I'm so make me and how many times I make me
David
apostle say me 1 minute
me na me te machine echi me de me say so aka say ma
I say all the far time all the far time yeah apostle man
I boru heavy
yaw nya me ahwe because me di yaw me ntiase say like your talent work room na ya for obi a sebi oye scout so omra me lead yen
Mr. So on scout we coach
we dey coach ya na di ya for coach I have records me boy Manchester for kope Amorim no on di omo transia no so ye ko fa Amorim na ba omo try bia o omo decide say ye fa seniors bon say amfa Liverpool akwakofa slot ba with final omo transfer ya Ghana na style football ye den
ye
body some pe coach or ye den
ye pe coach den Renard mu nyina ho other top coaches nyina ho afi de be mo da bi o ya national team
eno me fa na say musika kra nso a musika nso a say the music
ya osika be ni nso ya national team nya afi ne ye ba be ye matrama kwa bia o ya national team te say club side o and e be why say my coach time at least that ben able not Nations Cup now ya Ghana team go Nations Cup I mean hard dream
whoa yeah baby TV so basa ayo kra nya de
supposed be commentary there the Nations Cup
AFCON way
supposed to be na ejuma be
whoa ameza ma memra ho no na yentio
Fancy, it's quite unfortunate say the Ecoso no the national team no Ecoso, but yeah, accepting reality ni say a level ni baby I do ni baby I born about be doing pempen so etini. Na ya kan hun sema kasa. Hwɛ die betimi eradi yakopɔ.
Above major 5 cities for now. Above major
5. Now, Fancy.
They no okay.
Cat statement in the government nya dey my park.
Shara mama me cat statement no.
Na me cat me bishop bo se me jam me time ni bebre dey ma. Okay, cat statement ne kakra bi na me jai dey akadi ama no. Na from the highest height of world football on 29th March 2022, Munsan Asiemame 2022, to the lowest ebb of AFCON qualifying matches. My heart bleeds. Definitely, this is not what we want or what we bargained for. Bargained, underlined. At this point, only cool heads can win, underlined. And we as leaders of our sport will stay together, be honest, underlined, be honest with ourselves and fix this problem. The road is to full recovery after normalization. It's definitely bumpy and rough. But our collective efforts and patience will win, and Ghana will be every country will win. Fancy. 2022 no kind. Ya mo AFCON 2021. And 2021 AFCON you call ya Comoros. Ephraim. One another AGFA president. And we still classify the World Cup you call as a success, knowing our standard at the World Cup. And the quality we could have shown at the World Cup. Are we even honest with ourselves? Because said this is the time I was here show honesty. Munim no kreno so monka. First of all, in the statement in itself, you are even lying. It's almost the question normalization committee. I'm so mona no money yempeni for no mudi or minus so ye pet because back the COVID. Excuse no back so the normalization. Excuse no. And normalization ba o ma be dey. Normalization is so yan sade ko normalization kwa no mo dey ko AFCON kwa dey say big pack as round of 16 kwa e ko duru yi. Na mo stop playing the devil's advocate. Na mo mo fem. Mumra form. They are too pompous. Mumra form. And I'm not sure if it's resigning because it's a private company or whatever they've set it up themselves or man to a group of people that they do all their stuff. But mumra form, calm down. Na munsuya die. Na munya djuma no nyenya success story. Fancy me nkasa bibiri enchebi.
Ahmed ACP me ram say and then offer sakwa kodiska and now I give 5 million.
Sompa Sports.
Me ba de nyabotre. And near from shadow. And I was there from white. To know be kind of direct. And then a honey shade man as Jeff in the time in the amay.
Okay, greetings, Chairman.
We are Minu Shadow.
I've been wanting to speak to you for some time now.
Amorim nyamche. We Minu Shadow. Sharak my in the picture and then there was some ma wakwaba. Sharak mompa Minu Shadow picture mra. Or a team manager of Black Stars. Akomia call.
So for Kitwa Beduma. Greetings, Chairman. I've been wanting to speak to you for some time now. Only that I've been unable to for a variety of reasons. I hope you are well. Chairman, you have every right to speak your mind, especially when things are not right. I just beg you to please tone down. Honestly, this is the time president needs everyone the most.
We Aminu Shadow, team manager of Black Stars.
No.
The message I was send the command George Free.
Okay.
Now saying our shots, yes, oh kasa about Black Stars. George Free any response for the man Aminu Shadow no
Shadow, you know me very well. I don't think Kate needs anybody.
Number 2, we also have a call recording between Aminu Shadow and Kujo Fianu. Gaka chairman, Osha Sia or Bujem, Seket and resign. Aminu Shadow called him. And Oka Chen say, Osena Unyabu Chemaya Mobon. Then yes, sir, I best say any other. Then Kujo Fianu catch and say, he knows what is happening. Some passports. Katokaku, right after Fianuba Bontin, this is the message he sent to him. Good morning, Mr. Fianu. Did you really say this? On say, Kate and resigns a Black Stars and qualify for AFCON. Whilst we had the technical team planning to prepare Black Stars to play, our team manager was doing jandam politics for Keto Kreku's presidency. Shadow has left his core mandate. And then, ni Alaji Raji, Jeff Adamfun. Amotesa Okasa, Mama Freo. Some passport. Who do you blame today? Fancy Memo Akwabane, the biggest blame is on the president of the Republic of Ghana. He cannot escape this. Nana Akufo-Addo. You have failed with our Black Stars. Jeff Mundi team Nima na semi-final team. Now about final 2015. 2017 about semi-final. 2019 who fail here Egypt. Now Cameroon Cote d'Ivoire there. Nana Akufo-Addo. On the basis of the Black Stars decline, what have you done? Fancy. Who in Nana Akufo-Addo in the sports minister freewa? Near to Black Stars na nyo biya Keto Kreku. Na enen me ma wakwaba no. Me be 2 million na ma chese na ma sama obi a oye nsentru ni bia oben Daniel Amate bia Organa. Yes. Amate is here. Shadrach, enra me ba ticket ni. Permission na me je wo honra no. Dia me de koye no. Enra omuzumia me VIP bus am de ko ba. Some passports. Nana Akufo-Addo share Black Stars or Golden Bean before I call African Cup. Oma Omuska. So Munko Cheska. Sikano Chemun, not a players, and Obi Abenya $3,000. I know the amount bonting. So we are see. And a Checo Cheskan, FM penny forget, Moko Cheskano, Obi Enya 2008 instead of the 3,000. Keto Kraku. And Omubisa say, Adeng. And monsieur, yati 200. The American Jeff is away. He's been away for long. He can't deny it. Omotis can also $200. Keto Kreku in the management in the FA phone. $200. No more players. No 2008. Then Amate goes to ask her, Sikana Obi Abenya 3,000. No, I didn't know Mama 2008. Amatama ni huminti our Black Stars ni bimu ni Genesis no. And then the FA explains to him, oh Debbie, Amate then was part of our captain group. Oh Debbie. Yeah, the BM technical team for obvious reasons. Almost so can't be near then. Yeah, say no way. I didn't know man penya chenska. Osi me the command technical team. Money my dream players away a team. Give our money to us. They had a plan already. And again on record, all these things, Jeff is aware. And yet news be make us say me I got to know this in January. Now me come here to your hotel one and and say, I call Pullman Hotel one and Black Stars da. Me could do an Moses Amane in the year. Omubu efuse omutu Christian assembly on meka chain be a fancy onfa. What happened after that? Amate yes had ni wie. Then they called a meeting. Hotel on person mo pamo Christian. Sasem ne ba bonting. Say captain's group na mate met nembi. No mon pamu coach. The players should give a backing to the sacking. Or say on yet because we coach no England. Only baby obesa kushia ni bim. If there is a decision of that nature, and penyumfo na nkono monko sacking. Then they tried getting Mercado into a meeting to stop him, Amate, from playing for the Black Stars. Mercado didn't go in. Kurt Muso decision. And no more Pamo Amate free Black Stars. Whoa. Kurt Okreku is behind that. So Daniel Amate sa or Bobia. The woman. Black Stars coach, no. The coach Cameroon events are Mark Brice. Again, Jeff is away. Reporter, Mercado committee in the man ministry. Any abino. Coach they settled on Mark Brice.
Oma Cameroon so bold.
Mark Brice, Cameroon coach no. Sompa Sports. And as our committee no the criteria abino. And selecting the man abino. And they were ready to engage because the coach was willing. After the initial discussion, Cameroon coach Mark Brice. Otuado's coming was engineered by one person, Keto Kreku. Now I dare ask, Yesika yedi ewura sa 6 qualifiers we mu. Saying, Nana Akufo-Addo, be bold. Now only o NSA Director General no, mon kan che Ghana for say sika yedi ye Accra Sports Stadium. Emma yede e boss South Sudan match no. Eni da mu be hu no, mu na mu be fu.
Renovations.
Of course, you need to can agenda 111 hospitals no. Emma ni nwie near the acquire campaign no. Some 19 days. Obeko agenda 111 80% complete. Agenda 111 70 some. Sika ebetimi dey say adwuma no. The sponsor send pay. So I dare ask, if Udu Sikako baby, budget is at an all-time high, rooftop. Performance rock bottom. The president is quiet. The sports minister is quiet. Are they complicit? Now, now Ghanaians have started feeling, say, the presidency and then the sports ministry are part of this mess. And yes, they are. Of course. Because football league need your mom there a crime scene. But when they are buying Japan, they are Ghana for their again, with good memory, Jeff would remember. Under PNDC, Rollins will say a national team na phone. Okofre Commodore Steve Obimpe. That time no Hazakis. Kwesi Ahoy, Kwame Ahoy from us, Kwesi from Kotoko. No more meeting. There was an interministerial task force just to look at Black Stars, chaired by Commodore Steve Obimpe.
Sompa Sports.
What stops us from intervening? Black Stars they hear intervention. Set Kudus Akraketwa ya unu nima. Na or captain Ghana ewon crying. When your penalty kotika na Ghana for huru Kudus say away on Bontonkin. Fancy, we can lose everybody, but we can't lose Ghanaians.
I was shocked, Endra.
No, someone video ni bia mo de mombo away o ankanfo no ehuru kudu se ombo penalty no ntwentwen oboto twen so no mani age na jene zamana mafo abehye ye kwa 4 points.
All of you are paying the
4
price.
points.
The useless announcers. Listen, what I brought it to power.
It's got nothing to do with announcement.
Fantastic. It has a lot to do.
Nothing to do with him.
No, it has a lot.
The basic is to qualify for tournament. Announce never qualified.
What brought Kurt to office?
Normalization elections.
Please. What led to normalization?
Consider is announce expose.
It was not going to the announcers.
It was.
Oh, please. Here, there's grace for leadership.
Where is his grace?
Me see, and you'll be agree. Listen, before Kwesiki, why Ghana work up and go be there.
Yes.
Obiani grace for an office.
And
then also
me see. Say Obi grace here walk up. Who grace in a day?
Who bizarre say Mupam Kwesi Apiano. How did God punish you through that? Because he won 2 games and then you sack him for no justification.
Because how they have 1 year.
Ali Usisi, how many years did it take him? Do you understand project no so far local player? What you say?
Na say ne de na yesi onya abutre kakra no man 6 months.
And I see Musensi.
O say on man 6 months. Get ku say on man 6 months.
Dr. So Chinaba. E dey na mo president no.
So
project so mo FNB mi bo.
Fancy. What is more damning? Pate obi amfre no. Nobody called him. We've had this thing up to here.
Coach
Nobody called him. On Jai's semantics.
That's what Tuado said it before Central for saying him. Or Fred Bueno no Kajas on one case of protecting.
My boss. Nobody called him. Mira, nobody called him. Sad no only Joseph Prince or yeah, no. He been there cost up on the party in them. No. So Bekaya. Or Fred Joseph Prince and catch and say it's not all about goals and assists.
Sompa sports.
There is deeper. Again, someone from he might not even come to play again. What can't share ex-players, no? What he's going through as the captain of the team. Let's be serious. Okay? There is this marriage of convenience between government and the FA and the Ukunyano. Mose Esco for Bayer meeting Ukwada. Now make a baby. Omuni Reka. Kwesi Admate hits and ra. Otuado will continue. Nothing will happen. Some management executive council, everybody would continue. Nobody. There is a marriage of convenience. Yeah, catch if you said, "Move football." They had all the courage to look me in the eyes and tell me yesterday, and I said, "I'm a minister, and so I offer equipment officer, and they're moving to me."
Yes, it did. I'm in no.
Nipa no dey no nim. Na am say enti dey. I say no dey ba na maka wano atum. Sa na e call World Cup na chief director Ruben no aduane no. Where are we?
It I say blame ni nipa ba ko.
Debi, where
so
are we?
So can dey wholesale.
Where are we? Look, where are we? Na nipa ne kan sa ade no. Me cry ya kakra because right after the World Cup Jeff Kache Ofia said somebody like that went to the kitchen. And the power mandating is on your Black Stars institution is no school. I won't do any.
Yeah, man.
Oh, but these people went there to overrule her. Into the national team, no. So what should he be say? And now
some passport.
Yeah,
over Canada and US. Okay.
Quincy, she say a crime scene. Obi and your dot team be for you to understand, Sir Otuado. Or double face. Or friend Nicolas Opoku. A bro of France. So about our national team now. See now the League 2. Until or her more League 1, the top leagues the Kakra. That says son. Our best friend. Only for him to go and call a defender from League 2 in a call up. Until no baby say everybody is complicit in this. Because baby. We and yet Ketkreku is the government of Ghana and the FA in a marriage of convenience. And Ntina Aminu Shado, who under normal circumstances shouldn't even be our team manager. Because he has Shadow Bede. Let me tell you this. Yene, we for the ball Nigeria form. And Najuni Nano. Otuado is my witness. Sami Kufo was in the room, in his hotel room with Patty. And if Sami is going to come out for all of you to hear, that night was the night they knew say one go no mbesha wahano. Oh, because he told them Okoda na bobe 2-3 a.m. He Otuado never catch and said no that's so she ho here then. Sana omudi nkomo kakra no kwa join nkomo ni bi. O Sami Kufo room. This is from Patty. Sandy Pana on the years I didn't. I didn't know any or churching an answers of a Bama national team. Muguno. Because Ket and the people around him, who blast us as a cash cow. And don't say a couple board ya, at the budget bread abang. Need tria. but minister in sika Ghana ne Brazil boy in Yenyaye. When it is expenditure, it is government. When it's revenue, AFE. They are using the black stars to make money. And until at 3,000 man pennies a month for more money. Or more de omope koye de omope so omoyen. Fancy. Nobody is against these people. That rhetoric is wrong. Nobody is against them. But sika yepe anasi yenya.
Bishop, ochina mnim se beto aso so wunwie ana wa wi.
Bon de say ne dia ne de obeka ne de be ya adwuma.
Okay. China beto aso na kra no college ne yesam mfa nche. Nyame adoma china beto aso e be ma mo time and na interviews no ehim anti momfa nche nyame adoma china e ba ye beba na ya ba beto aso enso e de for ye sorry news for no e ba na mum happy birthday e call e de ama Peniel anoche boatma o agona we ye wan kasa o papa Francis anoche Morino ne cheso mame Esther o ye SDA Central as SDA Church agona and say ye show ye awoda pa eno enso no well special happy birthday going out to Florence or Asante agona we catch obi and say ye show ye awoda pa nti eno enso eno no happy birthday to Sandra we from Akomia Meza say Sandra and your birthday ye show ye awoda pa nyaminto supango birthday no so and to Abdul Rauf Adam we tipper driver I will fiapre and your birthday yeah show a happy birthday Sharak mamenya marina quick well congratulations call Diama the new couple in town we and so you're from Mami Sewa and Mamene the entire family say or more mamo congrats we on one kasani bema makontano no yes and baby I will be do Mr. and Mrs. do and ye ka say nyame nton supango mu union no so na omane o so nya fine enso ema monti yes odo benya oba pa no na cheso wanya ade pa nti no yes sorry so news ena eba